derail the handshake and the BBI is the contestation over the contents of the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020 as proposed by the BBI. This bill has been endorsed by an overwhelming majority of county assemblies after being embraced by millions of the people of Kenya. It is in this context that we have convened here as elected leaders of the Luo community to express singular and undivided support for the BBI bill as endorsed by the people of Kenya and the majority of county assemblies. As MPs, we recognize and accept the limited role given us by the people on the bill. We submit the will of the people of Kenya that ours is to accept the bill in its entirety or reject it in its entirety. Ladies and gentlemen, no community has suffered the ravages of election violence like the Luo from 1992 to 2017. There are people who were displaced from many parts of the country, never to return in the 2007-2008 electoral violence. In the interest of the future safety, security and stability of our people, wherever they are at election time, we support every effort to make election violence a thing of the past in Kenya. We therefore support the BBI bill in its entirety to the extent that it seeks to bury the ghosts of election violence